Welcome to Module 1. In this introductory session, we are getting started with the fundamentals of project management. You might wonder, what exactly defines a project, and how does managing it ensure success? At its core, project management is the application of knowledge, skills, and tools to meet project requirements, aligning specific goals with the broader objectives of an organization. This isn't a new concept. It evolved from the master builders of ancient pyramids and cathedrals to the structured demands of the Industrial Revolution, eventually formalized in the mid 20th century by military and space programs. Today, it is driven by digital transformation, AI, and adaptive methodologies like Agile. To understand where project management fits, we first need to distinguish between projects and operations. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It has a defined beginning and end, and once the specific objectives are met, it closes. In contrast, operations refer to the ongoing, repetitive activities that maintain a business, focusing on stability and efficiency rather than change. Essentially, projects introduce the new, while operations manage the now. How these projects are handled depends heavily on the organizational structure. In a functional structure, the organization is hierarchical, grouping staff by specialty, like marketing or finance, where a project manager has little authority. On the other end of the spectrum is the projectized structure, where the organization is arranged by project, and the project manager has full authority over resources and staff. Most modern organizations, however, utilize a matrix structure. This is a hybrid approach where resources are shared between functional departments and projects, requiring project managers to negotiate for talent and time. So, why use a project manager at all? The benefits are clear. A project manager brings better planning by organizing work and timelines, ensuring that resources, time, money, and people are used wisely to make the project profitable. They foster teamwork by helping diverse groups communicate, and they are critical for handling risks, spotting problems before they become disasters. Ultimately, they maintain a quality focus, ensuring the final deliverable actually pleases the stakeholders. The project management process itself is broken down into 5 distinct phases. It begins with initiating, where we define the project's purpose and scope. This involves identifying stakeholders to understand their needs and creating a project charter that formalizes the project's existence. Once approved, we move to planning. Here, we create a comprehensive plan covering timelines, budgets, and risks. Crucially, we establish baselines for scope, time, and cost, which serve as our reference points for success. With the plan in place, we enter executing. This is where the work gets done. We implement the plan, coordinate resources, and manage the team to produce the deliverables. While the team works, the project manager is simultaneously in the monitoring and controlling phase. This involves tracking progress against our baselines and identifying variances. If the project veers off track, we make adjustments and manage change requests to ensure we hit our targets. Finally, we reach closing. This is more than just finishing the work. It involves handing over deliverables, releasing resources, and conducting a post-project review to document lessons learned for the future.